When I create a pivot table and I click on the pivot table, to the far right I can see the pivot table field list. If you click away from the pivot table on a blank cell, the field list will disappear. So if you click back on your pivot table, the field list will reappear. The field list can be closed by hitting the Close button in the top right corner of the field list. If you wish the field list to return, go to the Pivot Table Tools Options tab in the ribbon and go to the Show group and click the button Field List. The field list turns on and turns off the field list. The other thing you can do with the field list is you can change the layout of the field list. For example, we have a field list layout button here. If I click this button, I can choose the second option, and the second option shows the fields listed here and the squares listed here. If I change the field layout again to just fields, I'm just seeing my column headings. If I change my field layout to just areas, I can see them 2 by 2. If I click the button again, I can see them 1 by 4. And if I click it again, I can return the field list layout to field section and area sections stacked. You can change your field list layout using this particular button here.